Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe InDesign, and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. The reason why we are here today, guys, is to discuss how to export PDF files within Adobe InDesign. A question that I get asked quite often, and what I want to do today is make it a lot clearer for you and show you the step-by-step process that you need to know. As you can see, what we have in front of me is a design that I've done. What I've done is I've used a bit of text wrap. And if you're interested in finding out more about the text wrap options and how to do it, there has been a previous tutorial that we've released on our website. So if you're interested, go and check it out. Now I'm ready to export this as a PDF. What I'm going to do is either go to File, Export, but as you can see, as I'm a Mac user, the shortcut is Command E on a Mac or Control E on Windows to export. So I'm now going to come through and export this document. What you can do is decide on where to place it within your files, and obviously you can come through here and name the file which you would like to name it. So for example, let's call this text wrap example. Okay, and as you can see, we have the format here. We just open this up. There you have it, the two PDF options that you need to use. The PDF Interactive preserves the interactivity that you may have placed on your document, like buttons, hyperlinks, links, and stuff like that. But today we don't have any links or any buttons on our design, and we want to eventually print this. So we have the option of Adobe PDF Print. What I'm going to do now is come to the Save option. And what will happen here, you have your window to come through and customize the saving of your PDF, okay? Some of the things you need to know is the quality of the print options. What we're gonna do is keep this a high quality print. For instance, you have different options to use. Maybe you wanna use the smallest file size option. So what this does, it will be a document that can be easily displayed on a website or possibly attached to an email of some sort. We have all of the options here to come through and customize your PDF. But what we're going to do, I like the settings as they are, is I'm going to come through and press export. And there you go, guys. That is how you export a PDF within Adobe InDesign. If you're interested in finding out more about our school, take a look at our website. Some really cool information on there about our tutors, about the courses that we offer at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, take a look at our Instagram. There's some work on there by our talented students, just to showcase what we're teaching and some really cool ideas. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.